Hi there, this is Terry from Priority One Computers on 3960 Quadra Street here in Victoria. Just here to show you today that we're doing a motherboard replacement for a client on his Lenovo ThinkPad. And we've got the new motherboard in now, and we're going to go ahead and get started on that. You can see the results as we go through them in the pictures. We will be testing everything once it's installed and making sure that we update and complete all types of drivers, BIOS, firmware updates, and test all the ports just to make sure that everything is in good working order before he gets it back. If you need any help with these types of things or would like to know more information, you can give us a call at 250-475-7510. Thank you.